my god, this is amazing. You got it, babe?
Yo quiero par de millones. Chillin', chillin', chillin'.
Longer than I expected. What? ¿Qué es lo que mi gente? Tú sabes que Keisy con otro video. Yo estoy tratando de hacer video en español y en inglés. I'm trying to do videos in Spanish and in English so that everybody can have the same content, the same everything, you know what I mean? So, yo estoy tratando de hacer todo para que todo el mundo me entienda, porque yo sé que yo tengo gente en la República Dominicana viendo esto también, so estoy tratando de hacer los videos en español y en inglés. Por favor, tengan una paciencia conmigo, que esta es la primera vez que lo estoy haciendo. Have some patience with me, this is the first time I'm doing it. So, quiero dar muchas gracias a toda la gente que me están apoyando en esta vaina de YouTube. I want to thank everybody that's supporting me in this YouTube thing. It really means a lot. Tenemos la Genesis. We got Genesis right here. Purring. Hey, we got a new tire on her too. It looks hella dirty right now. Don't worry about that. But look at that. Woo! Fresh meat, boy. Carne fresca, oíste. Gonna go and pick up my girlfriend right now. We're gonna go to her crib. Vamos a recoger la novia mía. Vamos a ir para la casa de ella a recogerla. Y vamos a salir a hacer un par de cosas. We're gonna go out and do a couple things, so. Vamos a hacer esa vaina. Let's go and do it, you heard? Ew. I like how my mom likes to park right on my ass, so I can't even get out. This is the hardest part of doing everything. Oh, I almost hit her. Thanks, Mom. Gracias, Mami. Déjame la guagua ahí. Cónchale. Golly. I think my tire is either popped or low. Oh my god. I just put you on yesterday.
Are you recording?
Yeah. I want to give my little boy Ethan a shout out because he's helping me out with this video. And also my girlfriend.
Wait, so this is how you turn it on and record it? Yes. Yeah. Oh. Well, I just figured that out.
You want to let them know what I'm doing, Edo?
Yes, what are you doing then?
I'm taking the tire off.
He's taking the tire out and changing it because his tire sucks.
I'm not
just gotta
changing
get
it.
through it.
I just gotta check if it's where it's losing air or why it's losing air. We're good. Does this have a button? You just drag it down. All right. That's 2019 shit, nigga. You heard?
Yeah, we still don't got no buttons.
Huh?
We don't got no buttons.
You got no buttons?
Nah.
Is this the base model?
Yeah.
Ah, that's fine. Thank you. Shit. Alright, let's get this wheel out of here so that we can put some air in it. Alright, let me take it out. I'm pretty sure you guys already know the freaking 25 videos. I lost it. There's been a lot of shit going on lately. There's been a lot of shit going on lately, and I was just like, I lost. So, but he just claybarred his car, just the hood, but it's so smooth, like it doesn't feel rough. Like, God, I gotta do this to my car. Where'd you get it from? Adam Polishes.
I got more. And we could use the same bar. Because the same bar should last 5 to 8 times.
5 to 8 times?
Yeah, depending on how dirty the car is.
And you didn't even bother to throw water on it till now.
It's fine.
This man is crazy. He knew that it would freaking save more life on the clay bar if he washed it.
Lazy.
Lazy ass. Alright guys, so I went to put air in the tire. It has air, but it's not holding it. Due to a crack right there. You guys see that? Due to that crack right there, it was leaking very bad. And this part bent right here. Oh, you can see a little bit of the water right there. Yeah. As of right now, I'm gonna be rocking my sister's wheels because her car does not work like that anymore. Bad head gasket and all that stuff. So I'm gonna steal her wheels. Hey, this way I can actually look for some actual real wheels, or some nice ones at least. So I'm gonna just throw on the Steely, my donut, and I'm gonna just take it like that to back home.
You're gonna look like a vagina posting that.
Why am I gonna look like a vagina?
Because your girl's doing it and not you.
Because you want to. The heck?
I know.
That's the thing I'm gonna have to throw on because these ugly shits are cracked now. I don't even know what I want to do with these. I don't know. Keep them as a souvenir. Sell them.
Your rims suck.
I don't know. Well, thank you. Like I didn't know.
Can I record you?
You wanna record me? Am I gonna do it by myself?
Do it.
The lights.
No? Oh wait, this?
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh, that sun is golden.
Right?
Can we go take golden hour pictures?
Yeah.
Okay.
I got these at, what's it called? Advanced Auto Parts. They're just the, you know, extra vision, brighter, you know. I went to go get some cheap ones because I've been using freaking high beams for like the past 6 months, something like that. I don't know, but I haven't had good lights. These right here, these are, is it focused?
Mhm.
These are LEDs, but the thing is, it's not focused.
You said
Press this. No, it's not. Now it is. These are LEDs, but the thing is, they went out. I don't know why or what. They have a whole fan in the back and everything, but I'm gonna install these ones just so, you know, some basic ones for now, so that.
What did you click?
You just click this little button right. So in the Eclipse, in the 2Gs, you just reach right in front of the fuse box right here in between. There's this one inside right here. This is for the high beam, and then you move over to the middle. This one is the regular low beam, and then all the way up to the side is your turn signal. So you want to go the one in the middle, and this is literally just plug and play. It's nothing really too hard. You plug this in like that. Boom. And then you go inside and you try to find, because they have these 3 tabs. One here, one there, and one right here. And those 3 tabs have to lock in to the headlight so they can stay in place. So let me do that real quick. I'm gonna show you. Show them this headlight right here. It's look, listen. I'm gonna tell you guys right now. I know these headlights look foggy and hazy, but I will clean them up and I will make them look nice. Just bear with me. Anyways, I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. The only thing you're gonna see is the high beam, but I'm gonna have the low beam on as well. But you're not gonna see it. I'm gonna just show you just to compare it. So you guys see here? This is my high beam. This is the low beam. This is not even on. Now let's go over here on this side. We have the high beam and we have the regular light. So that means we're good. Alright guys, she got it out. Now she's gonna put the new one in there.
I got it.
Yeah, just look in there and search for the white tab.
All these
That's
hose.
it. Can you bring it out?
Broken nail,
Perfect.
love
Yep.
that.
Alright.
Dad just put it in.
Yep. Just like that. Perfect. Did you get it? Oh.
What? Don't scare
push
me.
it in. Push it in. No. Just be careful with the bulb so it doesn't break.
No, really?
Yeah, really.
I thought I was just gonna break the freaking bulb. Oh wait, I got it.
You gotta be so mean, man. She got it in there. I couldn't record it because the camera's dying, but she did get it in there. Good job, babe. Good job. Just give me a high five. Good job, babe. Let's see if they both turn on. Ready? Oh,
Yeah.
Connect the battery. waters. Ready?
Mhm. Woo!
They both work. Hey.
That one's mine.
Ready.
Mine looks better.
I don't know what else to do. I gotta get back to Clearwater so that I can steal my sister's wheels and put them on. Because this bitch wants to blow up on me. Look at her hands. Her hands are so dirty. That's how you know. Get you a girl that can do both, yeah?
You're right. Can I turn your lights off?
Yeah, turn them on. It feels good to have lights. Guys, if you guys are riding around with either no lights or just high beams and your regular low beams are not working, go ahead and go buy you some.
Me.
Hire my girlfriend and she'll come fix it for you.
I'll fix it for you.
Yeah, how much you charge, babe? How much you charge?
Oh wait, I didn't even think that far, so don't. I'm just playing.
How much you gonna charge? You going what? $20 a bulb?
Look at my nails. Oh my god. Wait, what?
Hey, it's called hard work. Real girls break nails here. $20 a bulb.
Yeah.
$20 a bulb. There you go, guys.
Yeah.
$20
If
a
I
bulb.
like you, it'll be 15.
If she likes you, it'll be 15.
Yeah.
And if you're your friend?
My friends are dumb. They wouldn't know to change.
Golly. I hope none of Diana's friends is watching this because if you are a friend of Diana's, you're pretty much dumb, bro. Sorry.
Don't say that. I'm just playing with my people. I love everyone. Oh my gosh.
Okay. We can go out as late as we want to now because we got lights. Thanks to my girlfriend.
Just like
What do they gotta do? What do they gotta do?
follow me on Instagram.
Follow her on Instagram. More like don't follow her on Instagram.
What?
Alright guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.